about to make a wig. Valentine's Day is coming up and I want to do a Valentine's Day series. So we're going to start with this wig right here. All right. Now, I'm not too sure about how to achieve this color, but we're going to try. We're going to try. So I did go to the beauty supply. We are going to do bucket bleaching. Here's my bucket. We're going to bleach in there and watercolor. So I'm going to sit that to the side. Oh, I found these cute gold clips. So excited to use that. But what you are going to need, you're going to need some bleach. This is Quick Blue. I got that. You are going to need, I got 40 volume developer because we're going to dilute it with water, so it's going to make it weaker. And then I have the color that I chose, and I got 2 bottles of Fiesta Fusion and eggplant, rich eggplant. So purple and a pink that have kind of, they're close to the same family. So those are the colors that we're gonna try to do to achieve this unit. All right, as for the wig, let me get the wig. So we're gonna use a Unice wig for this. This already comes like layered and everything like that and curled, but so it comes with all the little goodies inside, the melting band, some tape, an edge brush, all of that. We're gonna toss that to the side. Well, this is a 7x5 by knots wig, so therefore that means that everything is already done on this unit. So it already comes curled, and it comes with the bangs. It gave a roller, but it comes like this. This is the inside. Okay, so and it does have a drawstring, I think, in this. Do it have a drawstring? No, not this wig. This wig doesn't have one. But it comes with an elastic band and everything like that. So we're gonna bleach this and then we're gonna color it. So it already comes ready to wear. And it already have the little cute little bangs and stuff. But we are going to make this Valentine's Day ready, okay, friends? So let's do it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the bleach. I would definitely say get a bucket because you're gonna use half of it. I'm gonna put half of the contents in the back bucket, and then I'm gonna put maybe a quarter of the developer in there. And I'm also gonna put a cup of hot water just from the tap. It doesn't need to be anything hotter than that. And I'm gonna mix all of that together to get the consistency that I need. So once everything is mixed, I'm gonna go ahead and submerge the wig in there, and I'm just gonna massage the bleach into the hair. You wanna make sure that everything is saturated and you're getting all the nooks and crannies because you want an even as possible lift. Now this is a darker color, but you still wanna make sure that everything is even. So I'm gonna go ahead and massage all the bleach into the wig. So once it's massaged, I am going to let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's cold in LA, so it did process a little slower. I am going to just let it process. I'm going to just show you that it's heavily saturated, and I'm going to just let it sit there. So you don't need to lift it to a high color. You want it to be like right before a honey brown. So as you can see, it's like a chestnut brown. And I'm going to take 1 bottle of the Fiesta Fuchsia, and I'm going to put it in hot tap water, and then I'm going to just mix everything together, and then I'm going to submerge the wig in there. Now I'm doing this in steps because I want an even color job. So I have 3 bottles, and I'm going to do this 3 times. You'll know that the color is deposited into the hair because the wig or the water will turn translucent a little bit, so it's not as opaque as it was when you firstly put the color in there. So that's how you know that the water or the hair did absorb the color.
On the beat.
Lastly, I did put the eggplant in there, and then I'm just going to dip the wig inside and just let it also sit. And as you can see, once it does sit into the purple color, it is going to turn translucent as well. So then you know that it's ready to be pulled out. Now I did go and remove the color off the lace with some color oops, but this is how the hair turned out. I did curl it off camera, and I did I'm not a big curler. I don't curl too well. I'm still learning. But this is the wig. It already came with layers, and so yeah, so this is the color. And what I ended up doing when I was watercoloring was I took some eggplant color and I just rubbed it on the hair in the front, because the inspo picture looked like it was a little bit darker. My wig is a little bit lighter, but if I added a little bit more eggplant in there, it'll be spot on. But I think I like this color because you can see some of the fuchsia, you can see some of the eggplant. It's just a good mixture. And I think this is very much Valentine's Day appropriate. I actually really like this color, and I want this color on a frontal in a full wig in like 30 inches. So, but me processing this Amazon wig, it held up really good, and it's not crunchy or anything, and it does not shed. You definitely want to deep condition with silicone mix, because that's going to maintain your longevity when it comes to a wig like this, especially a color treated wig. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you that I did use some spray to lay down my lace, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and do some baby hairs, just something real quick. I decided that I wanted to opt in for a side part, so I just tilted the wig to the side in order to get a side part, and that's all you have to do. But this wig, the lace is big enough to just simply just part it to the side, but I just tilted the entire wig. I did go in and fix my lace off camera, like I melted it down even more, but I'm just doing some final touches. Now we're just gonna rate the color. We're not gonna rate the styling, okay? How did we do? Did we do good with the color? I love this color, and I think it'll look good on you, friend. So this wig will be linked down below in the description box for you guys if you're interested, and I'm pretty sure they might have a coupon, so go check it out.